Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel YLP Elegant Life. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button so you can get the notification of our next video. अस्सलामुअलैकुम, क्या हाल है आप सबके। उम्मीद करती हूँ हम सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। YLP सही के न्यू व्लॉग में खुश आमदीद। और जनाब आज हम आए हैं रमादा होटल बहरीन और यहाँ पर हम आए हैं YLP टोस्ट मास्टर क्लब के सेशन के लिए। आज यहाँ का पर है सेकंड सेशन ऑफ द YLP और आज होने वाले हैं यहाँ पर इलेक्शंस प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पब्लिक रिलेशन के। सो हमने अपना फर्स्ट सेशन मिस कर दिया था जो कि आइस ब्रेकर स्पीच सेशन होता है। यहाँ पे इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन होता है, वो हमने मिस कर दिया था बिकॉज हम वेकेशंस पे थे और कतर गए हुए थे, जो कि आप हमारी कतर सीरीज़ में आप देख सकते हैं सारी चीज़ें। तो आज हम यहाँ पर आए सेकंड सेशन जो है वो लेने के लिए। बच्चे उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। अब्दुलरहमान ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है एज अ प्रेसिडेंट कैंडिडेट के तौर पे। तो चलें और आपको दिखाते हैं यहाँ की आज की सारी एक्टिविटीज़। सो लेट्स गो एंड से बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर अब्दुलरहमान एंड ऑल द अदर कैंडिडेट्स। सो ये है जनाब रमादा बहरीन। ये है यहाँ का रिसेप्शन एरिया। सो यहाँ पर जनाब होना है सेशन एंड वी आर एंटर्ड हियर।
This is our second meeting for YLP and the exit is over here. Please sit.
Thank you. Sergeant Arms, I welcome you all to the meeting number 2. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready to do something different?
Yes.
Are you ready to take challenges?
Yes.
Great. Last time we agreed on a couple of things. I will revise, I will repeat, and I'll see if somebody also helps me for this. We all together learning environment. Yes, positive and learning environment. Positive, we appreciate everyone. We encourage everyone. When it's time to clap, my clap will be the louder. Right? I'm going to challenge each and everyone. I will start the clap and I'll see who claps louder than me. Right? Three, 4, 5. Are you sharing any joke? On Toastmasters International for the best speaker tonight and the best joke teller. It can be yours. Yes, it can be yours. Yours. Right? Ready to win it?
Yes.
So, this is the best one. And we have another one. Serious story and we have to laugh. That will be very bad, isn't it? Very difficult. Brother Zahidjan, can you please a joke in itself? Note with the lighter words, right?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful message.
Done.
Something that makes you laugh. When you laugh, it means you forget all the worries. Back. Can you just tell me what is the joke? Wow, nice.
It makes you young.
Wow, see, something that makes you laugh. Yes.
Something that can be comedy and makes everyone laugh.
That makes everyone laugh. Yes.
Someone made it.
Let us appreciate each and everyone.
Everyone, my name is Anya Tark and today I'm going to tell
Just ask everyone, am I audible?
some jokes. Why the bees have sticky hair? Because they use honeycomb. Food. the alphabet.
Alphabet. Nice. Everybody's. Yes, just laugh. If there is no reason, still laugh. Please, yes.
How does the ocean say hello? It waves.
It waves hands. Wow. That's done. Thank you. Khurram.
Hello everyone and a very good afternoon. My name is Ayana Khurram and today I'm going to tell you a joke. Dies and is sent to hell. He shoots him and says he must choose one room out of 3 doors that leads to a room. Shaitan opens the first dirt up to their necks. The guy says no. Shaitan opens the second door and there are people standing in dirt up to their nose. The guy says no. In the third room, there are people standing in dirt up to their knees, drinking coffee and eating pastries. The guy says, I choose this one. The guy goes in and pours some coffee into his cup, and on the way back, Shaitan says, okay. Everyone, I am Khawla Hashim. Today I got few jokes for you. What did the one volcano say to the other? I love you. When do bees get married? When they find their honey. What bugs could tell time? A cockroach.
Ask me, why did you call me? I want to share a story in your voice. See, I will tell you a story, but in your voice. So I will stand and he will speak on behalf of me now.
My name is Hamza, the coolest boy. Today I'm going to tell you a joke. Did you ever wonder why did the bedroom look very sad? Because it has so many problems.
Right. Ismail. Ask everyone, am I on?
My name is Anna Ismail and I have some few jokes to tell you. What kind of tea is hard to swallow? Tea. He knew a shortcut.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, the last one, please respond. Yeah.
A man hates his wife's cat, so he decides to get rid of it for once and for all. So he took the cat, walked 20 blocks away from his home and dropped the cat there. But he saw the cat was already moving up the driveway. So he took the cat, walked 40 blocks away from his house and dropped the cat there. But the same thing happened. He keep increasing and increasing the blocks, but the same thing happened. So he got a brilliant idea. He started right, left, over the bridge, and he finally kept the cat on the right spot. A few hours later, excuse me, is the cat at your home? She said, yes. Why are you saying? The man got disappointed and said, put the devil cat on the phone. I am lost in any directions. And the teacher asked the student, what will you do if a tiger was chasing you? The little boy said, I will climb on the tree. The teacher said, tigers are good at climbing trees. The little boy said, then I will jump into the river and swim away from him. The teacher said, well, actually, tigers are good swimmers. The little boy said, hey, are you at my side or at the tigers?
That's nice. Thank you. Mommy.
My name is Ahmed Sami.
Please ask them, are you audible? Can they hear you?
Can you hear me? So once upon a time there was a radio show named Sad Songs, and people would call and request for sad songs, and and then the caller said, I found a purse with $1,000 and iPhone 14 Pro Max. My name is Iman and I'm here to tell a joke. It was a husband and wife. Wife asked husband, had you had lunch? Husband replied, have you had lunch? I'm asking you. Let's go shopping. Yes, I had my lunch.
Wow.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mustafa and today I'm going to be telling you a joke. One day a man was walking down the street. He saw an apple shop. There was no one but a note. Take one apple, God is watching you. He took one apple and went. Then later, some minutes later, he saw a cookie shop. There was no one, so he took one cookie and wrote a note. Take as many cookies as you want. The God is busy and watching the apples. Thank you.
Both doctors come. Right. So, dear participants, you have to vote for the best joke teller. Right? Be honest. Normally, yeah, give to everyone. So, I would prefer whenever I am in.
My name is Anam Ismail.
Anam Ismail.
My name is Zuhruf Mustafa.
Zuhruf Mustafa. Zuhruf Mustafa. Can you spell?
Z.
Fatima. Abdullah. You can return to your seats. Thank you.